Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Marvelous Marble, April's Instagram collaboration. Our theme was yellow, orange, blue, and green. And this one was hosted by Skull Lover Nails and Polished Opinions. And I'm going to have Nailtique's Formula 2 already on my nails and dry. We're going to go in with Shutout from Bases Loaded Lacquer. You know, make that water marble, because I'm water marbling today. I'm going to make it pop. Now, I apologize for this really horrible blurry footage right here, but this is the worst of it. I promise. It gets better after this. But I didn't just want to hop in with my top coat. You know. Come on, camera. There we go. I am going to top it with I&M's out the door. I just did one coat. I'm not looking for just to wear a white mani. I would have been probably a little more picky, but I did one coat just to give my water marble something to pop off of. There we have it. I'll be using Sweet and Sour Lacquer, Ay Caramba. And the orange one is I'll Be in My Room. The blue here is Pacifier Suck. And the green is Oh Homie. It's from the Catchphrase collection. I've got my water out and my little toothpick, and I'm doing the tape and latex today. I'll be using the Adored Colors Protect Me latex along with the tape here. Just, you know, mix it up a little bit. I remember back in the days when it was tape all the way. I mean, that's pretty much what we had in the beginning when I first started water marbling. So all these latex products are nice for those of us that are not allergic. So here we go. We're going to build up our bullseye, put my first drop in, and I spin my little toothpick around the edge of the cup to draw the polish all the way out to the edge so it can kind of hold on. Give it some stability, and I'm just going to build up the bullseye. Now I'm going to do 3 dunks today. I'm going to do my thumb, and then my pointer middle together, and then my pinky and ring together. Oh, and before I forget, because I'm always scared I'm going to, I should have hashtags down below and a list of participants for over on the Instagram if you'd like to go check out the other marbled nails. Now, they're not all water marbles. Some people stamp marble, drag marble, smushy marble. It's just a marble collab. You can do it any way you want. All right, so now to draw in the design. We're just going from one side to the other. And I'm doing my little zigzag. This is probably one of my favorite designs. Kind of gives it a chevron kind of look. And I actually place it on my thumb in a different position than what I ended up doing with the other 4 nails. So, you know, live and learn. I was just too busy playing. See, I'm kind of going across them here. But on the other nails, it's going to go up and down instead of sideways. I am going to get this excess polish off of the top of that water so it don't get on my design. And then we're going to get our little tweezers out and get this protection off. Comes off really easy like that. Very pretty. Now we're going to build another bullseye. There we go. Got our twirl and get it to the edge. There we go. And we're going to build these up. Now, this is my first set of these Catchphrase collection polishes. I love them so much because they water marble so nice that I ended up, she re-released this collection and I ended up buying a whole nother set of these because neons are hard to water marble with. They dry so fast. But these I'm actually able to work with. I mean, I can't be, you know, piddling around. I've got to stay on it and stay focused, and because that polish is drying. And so you can see it kind of grab on the edge, but it's still workable and it's still, you know, pliable and movable and all that. So we got that going on. I'm going to do these 2 nails. Get them lined up and dip in. I do pinch the cut between my fingers and my thumb so that I don't knock it over while I'm doing this cleanup. Then remove it from the water and get the stuffs off, the tape and the latex. Now I had to shake these polishes through my shaker before I did my water marble because they've sat on the shelf for so long. And I do have some bubbles, and there is going to be bubbling in my top coat later, but it's all good. It's still a beautiful manicure that I got to wear and enjoy all week. And we're going to build up this last bullseye for the last 2 nails. And if this hadn't been a collab, I might would have like stamped over it to kind of hide, or whatever the bubbles or the bubbles on the top coat, but I just really wasn't that worried about it. It still was very pretty and very fun to look at. So like I said, if you're really unhappy with the marble, just stamp over it. Just stamp something over it. There we go. Got our zigzag going on. All right. And now for these last 2. They're a little harder to film, but we dip down in the water, and then we find our toothpick and get that excess cleaned up. And there we have it. Get that cup out of the way so I don't knock it over. And you can see I went past my protection a little bit. I normally do, but it's all good. I'm going to clean up the big stuff with a Q-tip that I've dipped in some acetone. Get some of this big stuff off. And I normally break out a Q-tip to clean under the nails as well. And then I go in with my cleanup brush. And you can see a couple of dots. There's a bubble kind of almost in the center of that pointer finger. And it ends up popping when I put my top coat on. And I did try to, I used the smudge-free top coat. I'm fixing to do that here in just a moment. Hoping that would maybe keep them from popping and showing the white underneath, but like I said, in the end, I was okay with it. I just made peace with it. So here we go with the smudge-free top coat. And to be honest with you, I thought I had it. I thought, okay, yeah, it's gonna work, but it doesn't. And now we're gonna top it with Sèche Vite. And this is going to seal them in and make everything dry down really well. Don't forget to go check out the other manicures if you're interested in this color palette. Alrighty, here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.